Hi, I'm Kathy from Simple Fit Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to show you how to get down onto the floor and back up again using a chair. So, the first thing we want to do is have a seat in the chair. And I'm going to turn sideways in my chair, and I'm going to put my hands on the seat of my chair. Then I'm going to slowly lower myself down onto one knee and then the other knee, and then I can put my hand down and get down onto the floor like this. Now, if you should find yourself on your back on the floor, maybe you decided to stop by my channel and try some of the floor exercises. And then you got down there and you said, oh no. Maybe you're down on the floor playing with your dog. Jersey's is on the side right now. So, what you're going to do once you find yourself on the floor is like one leg go straight, keep the opposite knee bent, and you're going to push with this leg as you're reaching with the arm to roll over and get up onto your hands and knees. Now, I'm going to just turn around here so that you will be able to see better. So, you'll want to be in front of your chair, and if you're able to get onto your hands and knees, then you put your hands up on the seat, bring up one leg, push with your hands to get back down into the chair. I hope you found this tip helpful, and I hope to see you again soon.